Panasonic Lumix 14-140mm to review. One lens to rule travel, street and wild shots? Feeling stuck with too many lenses, missing shots while fumbling with gear, or losing focus because your kit weighs more than your creativity? Wasted time kills momentum, and unreliable tools block inspiration. That's when frustration sinks in. You want one lens that just works. Wouldn't it be liberating to travel light, stay focused, and capture everything without compromise? The struggle is real. Crushing stress of gear juggling, opportunities slipping while you swap glass, and creeping burnout when your focus dies mid-shoot. Instead of chasing light, you're fighting equipment. Missed moments hurt, whether it's your kid's goal, golden hour landscapes, or a sudden street scene. When your lens slows you down, your art suffers before it even begins. Meet the Panasonic Lumix G Vario 14-140mm, f3.5 to 5.6, II ASPH, Power O.I.S, HFSA 14140, the one lens breakthrough that frees photographers from chaos. With its 10 times zoom range, 28 to 280mm equivalent, you cover landscapes, portraits, sports, and wildlife without switching. Power O.I.S stabilization delivers handheld clarity even in low light, and the stepping motor autofocus is whisper quiet for video shooters. The 14 elements in 12 groups, including 3 aspherical and 2 ED lenses, minimize distortion, while the rounded 7-blade diaphragm creates smooth bokeh. Built compact and light at just 265 grams, it's rugged too, with splash and dust resistance and a durable metal mount. One traveler recounted, "I went from capturing sweeping Icelandic vistas to zooming in on puffins, all without changing lenses in the rain." That's the relief of a do-it-all optic. Instead of dragging a heavy bag of primes, this lens lets you focus on moments, not mechanics. It's not hype. It's a true go-everywhere solution. Why does this lens inspire so much praise? Experts call it the quintessential do-it-all travel lens for micro four thirds. Analysts emphasize its sharpness, stabilization, and whether sealing is rare in such a compact lens. Influencers rave, "This is my go-to for run-and-gun video, silent autofocus plus O.I.S saves me from needing a gimbal." A wildlife enthusiast said, "I've nailed opportunistic shots at 280mm equivalent that I'd have missed with primes." Real users echo the theme, "This lives on my camera, it's sharp, stabilized, and versatile enough for vacations, soccer games, or street photography." Another noted, 3 years of travel, and it's still my most reliable lens. From Power O.I.S stabilization to weather sealing and optics that fight distortion and chromatic aberration, it combines durability with artistry. Isn't it refreshing to imagine one lens handling landscapes, portraits, and wildlife while you stay nimble and creative? The Lumix 14-140mm 2 doesn't just simplify gear, it transforms how you shoot. That's why pros, hobbyists, and YouTubers alike rave about it as the ultimate single-lens solution for micro four thirds. Don't wait while others scoop up the Panasonic Lumix 14-140mm 2, this upgraded lens is flying off shelves. Join thousands of creators who've already ditched bulky lens kits for this lightweight, weather-sealed, stabilized, all-in-one zoom. From pros in the field to parents at the sidelines, everyone's calling it their daily driver. Act now, secure your lens, and turn every outing into a chance for unforgettable, professional-grade shots. Why juggle lenses when one lens does it all?